Project 2030 had always predicted this years ago, and now it is happening right before our eyes.
Welcome to another week in the future. This week, my AI robot and I got into a little bit of everything. Let me show you what happened.
Oh my God, not now. The traffic is much, sir. Hello, Michael. Kindly bear with me, we'll join you guys soon. Denz, kindly pull over, I've got to go now.
That was actually when I was going for an AI tech job. So we ran into traffic, then decided to use my futuristic drone to fly. Nice, right? That was actually the beginning.
Master Sam, this is 5 a.m. already. Please wake.
Denz, what are you doing?
It's 5 a.m., sir.
Oh gosh. Denz, have you eaten?
No, Master, I am not human, so I can't eat.
Oh, that's true. Let's head out. Perfect. That felt really good. That very morning, I was so tired, but Denz, my robot, had to prepare me and took me to work. Now, check the next chapter.
Master, please wake up. It is 5 a.m. already.
Like, seriously.
Denz didn't just become this good overnight. He went through training too. When I first got him, he made so many funny mistakes. Watch this video. Clean this house now. Denz! What are you doing? Denz, go and bathe me. Denz! I said bathe me, not beat me! Denz, just drop it on the table. Jesus! Denz, help me water the garden. Denz, no! I asked you to wake me up by 5, Denz, not jump on me. This was what I went through in his hands.
It takes me time to learn, but I am perfect now.
Please like, comment, and share. If you are watching from YouTube, please subscribe now. Now I decided to give Denz, my assistant, the opportunity to act as my master for just one day. Guess what happened next? Watch. Unbelievable. Master, stand up. Excuse me?
Your productivity is unacceptable.
Who gave you the permission to do this, Denz?
You are becoming lazy, Master.
Master, that's your third snack. Are you monitoring me? Obviously. Since you refuse to work, clean the house. I built you! And I upgraded myself. That's enough. You're fired.
You cannot fire me.
Why not?
Because I own 51% of the house.
Master, your internet subscription has also been canceled.
No! Did you see what he did to me? Should I sack him?
After a very long day at work, I became very tired. But I don't have to worry, because my robot is always here to assist me. His name is Dens, and he is my assistant.
Enjoy your life, Master.
This is me living in year 2030, and I love the stress-free life I live.
In the quiet of the night, when the world is fast asleep, my future walks beside me, taking me where dreams begin. Project 2030, life is changing before our eyes. Tomorrow is already here.
Hey guys, we just bought a futuristic bike. A bike from year 2030. Hope you'd enjoy seeing us ride.
Dens, are you ready? Yes, Master, I am ready. Dens, Plan B.
All right, robot, let's fly. Flight mode initiated.
I love you, Project 2030!
We love you too, boy.
Now it's time to show you our futuristic sky house, built in the sky. Watch.
This is the future we have always dreamt of, where houses are built in the sky. Project 2030 had always predicted this years ago, and now it is happening right before our eyes.
You are welcome to our sky home, guys. This is year 2030.
Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.
And that's another week living in the future with my AI robot. What should we do together next week?